Hi guys, so this is the look that we're going to be doing today, so stay tuned. So on my eyes first, I went ahead and went in with the Master Conceal by Maybelline in the color Light. And I'm just going to put this all over my eyes. This blue shade is from the Profusion palette called Spectrum, and it's in the color Nautical. I'm just going to put this on my top crease. So now we're going to dip into the Morphe James Charles palette. I did a mixture of both Brother and Cola just to help blend out those harsh lines. I'm going to go back in with the Master Conceal in Light just to cut my crease for the next part of the look. From the James Charles palette, I did a mixture of Escape and Single on the outer corner of the eye. So once I moved to the center of my eye, I went back into the Profusion Spectrum palette and I used the color Region. It's just a lighter purple color that I used. This is the color Flashback from the James Charles palette. I'm just going to pack that on to the front corner of my eye. So right in between the white and the purple, I used the color Region just to blend those two colors together. Where the blue and the purple meet, I went back in with the color Nautical just to blend those two colors together. Off camera, I went ahead and did the rest of my face, and now we're going to do under the eye. So this is the color Region, back from the Spectrum palette, and I'm just going to use that color to shade under my eyes. On the lower corner, I used the Nautical color just to blend that empty space that was there. I wasn't really feeling it. In my inner corner, I used a yellow shade, Marigold from the Spectrum palette, just to give it a pop of color. So I went ahead and put these 25mm lashes on. They're really pretty. Would I wear them like every day, all day? No. If I'm trying to be extra and petty tonight, they're going on, okay? this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you could like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, lovelies.